Hi, Algebra 1. I hope that you all had a great Thanksgiving break and that you enjoyed your extended break with our 2 snow days. Today, as I said in the plans that I sent you, I'm away at a conference. So here is some practice for you just to sort of get us back into the swing of things for our slope-intercept problems. So I will be back in school tomorrow, but you can see that I've highlighted number 1, number 3. I've highlighted one problem from each section that you have. I'll go over this and hopefully you can finish the rest of them and then work on the slope-intercept recap. So the first one is find the slope of each line. So here is nice point number 1. Here is nice point number 2. I know that I'm looking for the change in y over the change in x, and I always start with the point that's closest to the left side of my graph. So here I can go up 1, 2, let's change this back to, here we go. I can go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So I go up 4 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and over 7. So the slope of this line is 4 over 7. And since I started with the point that was over here and went up, I know that this is a positive slope. Looking at number 3, it says find the slope of each line. This is in that y equals mx plus b form, where m is my slope and b is my y-intercept. So looking here, 3/5 is my m value, so 3/5 is the slope of that line. Moving forward, number 9, I'll do off to the side over here. I have these 2 points. This is an x and this is a y, this is an x and this is a y. I can go ahead and make a table, so x and y. I have 10 and -8. I also have 15 and -5. So again, I'm looking for the change in y over the change in x. So what do I do to go from -8 to -5? I can add 3. And what do I do to go from 10 to 5? I can add 5. So the slope of this line is 3 over 5. Looking here, it says sketch the graph of each line. So for number 12, it gives me an x-intercept. So it crosses the x-axis at -2. And a y-intercept crosses the y-axis here at -5. So I can go ahead and draw in a straight line to connect those 2 points. And there is my line. Moving forward, my directions say sketch the graph of each line. This one's in y equals mx plus b form, so I know that my slope is 2/3 and my y-intercept is -4. So I'll start with my y-intercept here at -4, and since my slope is 2/3, from here I can go up 2 and over 1, 2, 3, and plot a point, up 2 and over 1, 2, 3, and plot a point. And I can come in with my ruler and I can sketch a nice straight line. Your last section here says write the slope-intercept form of each equation of the line. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. And it looks here that my y-intercept is going to be 5, and my slope, let's pick some nice points here. So it looks like I have this y-intercept, and let's come down and pick this point right here. To go from this point to this nice point, I go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So down 9 and over 2. So the equation of this line is y equals -9 over 2x plus 5. And so you can go ahead and create the equation for 17, 18, 19, or 19 we just did, and 20. Down here is just the answer key, which you also have access to on your Google Doc that I shared with you in Classroom. So you can check your answers before moving on. So like I said, guys, I'll be back in school tomorrow. I'm just away at a conference today. I will see you all tomorrow, and I hope that we have reviewed nicely our slope intercept form so we're ready for our next unit here.